Welcome you to session 31 of the chapter Absorption of Overheads, Cost and Management Accounting, 4th semester BCom, Mangalore University. In this session, let us work out a problem relating to absorption of overheads. Information relating to overheads and labor hours are given below. The three departments A, B, C, overheads and the labor hours of the departments are given. The question is, what is the total cost of an article if the raw material cost is rupees 80, labor cost is rupees 40. The article passes through department A, B and C for 2, 3 and 4 hours respectively. Now, the information relating to the overheads as well as labor hours are given. So, we can find out the factory overheads using the labor hour rate. So, for that purpose, first we will have to find out the labor hour rate. Then, based on the labor hour rate, we can find out the overheads, and based on that we can find the total cost of an article. That is, the raw material cost is given, the labor cost is given. We will have to calculate the factory overheads based on labor hour rate, and then we can find out the total cost. So, the first step is determination of labor hour rate. So, labor hour rate is equal to total overheads divided by labor hours. Now we have different department. So department A, the labor hour rate is equal to 18,679 divided by 4,670, which is equal to rupees 4. For department B, labor hour rate is equal to 18,122 divided by 3,020, which is equal to rupees 6. For department C, labor hour rate is equal to 24,400 divided by 3,050, it is equal to rupees 8. So, we have determined the labor hour rate for each department, department A, department B and department C. Now, using this information, the factory overheads can be calculated, and using that the total cost of a product can be determined. So, the statement of cost. So, material cost is given. The material cost is rupees 80. Then the labor is rupees 40. When you add these two, we get the prime cost. 80 plus 40. Prime cost is equal to 120. To that, we have to add the factory overheads. So, factory overhead, department X, 4 into 2 hours, 8. Department Y, the labor hour rate is 6 and number of hours 3, 18. Department Z, labor hour rate is 8, number of hours 4, 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Now these three should be totaled, that is 58 rupees factory overheads. Now 120 plus 58 is the factory cost, 178, which is the total cost. So we have found out the labor hour rate. Based on labor hour rate, factory overheads are found out, and based on that the factory cost or total cost is found out. Thank you.